Morning, guys. So I've been working with Riley on fractions, and I thought, we could all probably use a review on that. So we're going to work on multiplying fractions. You ready, Riley? Okay. So Riley is going to write the fraction 7/10 times 5/6. And Riley, remember when we're multiplying fractions, we multiply straight across, right? Okay, so what is 7 times 5? And what's 10 times 6? Good job. Now, can that reduce? Yeah. And what number goes into both 35 and 60?
5.
Okay. How many times does 5 go into 35? What's 35 divided by 5?
35 divided by 5 is 7.
Okay, so write 7. And how many times does 5 go into 60?
12.
Okay. All right, so that's reduced, but now we're going to show you the cross-reducing trick, or remind you. So Riley, right underneath your problem, write the same base problem, 7/10 times 5/6. So when you look across the diagonal from each other, like 7 and 6 and 5 and 10, can 7 and 6 reduce? Is there a little number that goes into both 7 and 6?
2.
Into 7 and 6? No. What about 5 and 10? What number goes into both 5 and 10?
5.
5. And how many times does 5 go into 5?
1
One time. So cross the 5 off and write a 1. And what about how many times does 5 go into 10?
2 times.
2 times. So cross the 10 off and write a 2. And now we can just multiply straight across. So what's 7 times 1 is 7. And then we got our little answer. Much faster. All right, Riley, next problem. Okay, 5/6 times 1/2. So do our cross-reducing trick. Does the 5, can the 5 go into the 2? Or the 2 go into the 5? No. What about the 1 and the 6?
Yeah.
Well, if you cross,
No.
not really. 1 goes into both 1 and 6, but you'd cross them off and just write 1 and 6 again. So that doesn't save you any time. So what's 5 times 1?
5.
And then what's 6 times 2? So your answer is 5/12. And the nice thing is, because nothing could cross-reduce, you know that you're as simple as you can get. All right, one more problem. 4/5 times 1/4. All right, back up a little bit. Can anything cross-reduce? Do the 1 and the 5 go into each other? No, but what about the 4s? How many times does 4 go into 4?
Once.
Once. And so you get to cross off both those 4s and turn them into 1s. So what's 1 times 1? Easy, easy, easy. Yes? All right, what are we going to work on next? What comes after multiplying? Division. So we'll do dividing fractions in a bit.